Ryan Schaffner here at the Jason Whittle All-Pro team, and today we're out at 1053 Cedar Ridge Circle. Let's go check out the peaceful lake experience this property offers. If space is what you're looking for, this property has it. It features a 24 by 40 insulated concrete shop, a main house, and a guest house, both of which you can actually add another bedroom onto. If serenity and space is what you're looking for, give us a call at 800-836-2005 and we'll schedule a private showing for you. Thank you and have a great day.